Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we will be making a mixed fried rice. A little bit of everything comes together so well in this mixed fried rice made with chicken, prawns, eggs and vegetables. Here is how to do a protein-packed fried rice. I have some boneless chicken here cut into small pieces in this bowl. Add in some soy sauce and a little pinch of baking soda. The little baking soda will tenderize the meat and will retain the juiciness in the meat after cooking without the meat drying out. The baking soda is optional. If you do not want to add it, you can just leave it out. Mix everything well to combine. I have used boneless chicken breast today. Chicken thighs also work very well in this recipe. Let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. Set aside. Take cleaned and deveined prawns in a bowl. Add in the soy sauce and a little pinch of baking soda. Mix everything well to combine. Do not use big-sized prawns. For fried rice, medium-sized or even small-sized prawns work well. Let the prawns marinate for about 15 minutes. Set aside. Break 3 eggs in a bowl. Add little salt and whisk well to combine. If you like the texture and flavor of scrambled eggs in your fried rice a lot, you can add one more egg. Once the eggs are mixed well, set aside. Now let's get the rice ready. We will be using basmati rice for the fried rice today. I have taken about a cup of basmati rice today. Wash the rice gently in water once or twice. Soak the rice in water for about 20 minutes. Soaking helps in keeping the rice separate without becoming sticky or gummy after cooking. Once the rice is soaked, drain the water and add the rice to a pressure cooker. Now add the water. For 1 cup rice, I use 1.5 cups of water. Here is a stock cube that I have broken into small pieces. The stock cube will nicely flavor the rice. If you don't have a stock cube, add a little salt and proceed with the recipe. Cover the pressure cooker and let it cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After the said whistles, switch off the flame and let the pressure from the cooker release naturally. Open the cooker and gently fluff up the rice and set aside on a plate to cool. Take a pan and add in some oil. Add the marinated prawns to the pan. Saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the prawns are cooked, add in some black pepper powder and mix everything well to combine. Do not cook the prawns for long. Remove the prawns from the pan and set aside on a plate to cool. In the same pan, add in a little oil and add in the marinated chicken to the pan. Since the chicken is boneless and it is cut into small pieces, it will cook fast. Keep sauteing so the chicken browns evenly. Once the chicken is done, add in the black pepper powder and mix everything well to combine. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside on a plate to cool. Add a little oil to the pan and add in the eggs. Scramble the eggs to a soft consistency. Do not overcook the eggs. Once the eggs are scrambled and done, remove from the pan and set aside on a plate to cool. Now let's assemble the fried rice. Add little oil to the pan. I am using Indian style sesame oil. I like the flavor of Indian sesame oil in fried rice. You can use vegetable oil too and it's fine. Add in some finely minced garlic. Add some finely minced ginger. Add the spring onions, white part only at this stage. Saute everything for a minute. Add in the finely chopped onions and the red chili flakes. Saute for a couple of minutes for the onions to become soft. Once the onions are soft, add in the finely chopped carrots and the finely chopped beans. Cook for a few minutes for the veggies to cook. The veggies should be crunchy and not fully cooked for the fried rice. Just cook till the veggies are half done. At this stage, add some capsicum to the pan. Now add in our cooked chicken, cooked prawns and the scrambled eggs. Mix everything well to combine. Now add in the black pepper powder. Add some sugar. The little sugar will nicely balance the flavors of the fried rice. Add some soy sauce. And my secret ingredient to the fried rice, little butter. The butter will make the fried rice very glossy and it will enhance the taste too. Butter makes everything better, isn't it? Now mix everything well once, and at this stage add in the cooked rice and mix everything well to combine. We have not added any salt as the sauce and the stock cubes that we added is itself salty. You can check for seasoning at this stage and add some salt only if necessary. Finally, add in some spring onions and mix everything well to combine. Our one pan mixed fried rice is now ready. This protein-packed mixed fried rice will surely become a favorite at your home. Do give it a try. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking.